Jurisdiction of Civil Courts Barred, Section 30 of the RP Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 30 of RP Act 1950. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of election to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to election for either House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted RP Act 1950. Section 30 comes under the Part 5th, that is General. Section 30 of RP Act 1950 is about jurisdiction of civil courts barred. It says, no civil court shall have jurisdiction to decide if a person should or should not be on an electoral roll for a constituency, or to caution the legality of actions or decisions made by the ERO or authorities revising the roll. So because of Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted, and then Section 30 was framed. Conclusion and extra points. Matters related to a person's inclusion in electoral roll or the legality of actions or decisions by the ERO or related authorities are outside the jurisdiction of civil courts. Any appeal or objection must be filed within the process and the time limits prescribed by the Act under the Section 24 of RP Act 1950 and Rule 27 of RER 1960. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 30 of RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos, rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.